Short but sweet. Yeah. Okay, so on to our next one, which is quality control, and it's fitting that we'd invite up Jason Sharman from BSC to hand this award out. Jason, please come join us.
And here are the nominees: Dana Incorporated, Electropoly, Flex, RECARO, and Signify.
So welcome to the stage, and thank you, Jason, for helping us hand out this award.
Thank you very much. So, this is a subject very close to my heart, and everyone's heart, I'm sure. So the award for quality control goes to RECARO.
I would like to thank you to all of the jury members and of course to our customers for trust. Thank you very much and have a nice evening.
Congratulations again. Jason.